Everybody, welcome back to my channel. So really quickly, I'm going to be talking to you guys about some products I've been loving while I was gone. It's literally like 5 things, but I really feel like I wanted to come on here and talk to you about them and let me know if you guys want a video on some of these products or whatever the case may be. So yeah, we're going to talk about products that I've been loving while I was away. Like I said, again, it's not a lot, but I had to come on here and talk to you guys about these products. So if you want to see a few products that I've been loving, then just keep on watching. So the first product I'm going to talk about is a concealer that you guys have seen me use in the previous video. And I also did a demo testing it out, like my first impressions on it. I will link it. I don't remember where the thing is. It's up here somewhere. The Too Faced Born This Way concealer, and I have it in the shade Chestnut. I have it on right now. I'm literally obsessed with this concealer. Every time I wear it, I feel like my under eye is just flawless. Like it looks like it has like a smoothing filter on it, and I just love this concealer so much. I love the coverage. I really want to go ahead and try the foundation. If you've already tried the foundation, let me know down below. And let me know how it is. I really want to try it. I am just literally obsessed with this concealer. Great coverage, blends out beautifully. Literally, it smooths under the eye beautifully. Even if I let it sit for a minute, which I do sometimes, it just blends beautifully. I love, love, love this concealer. Total home run for Too Faced for me. And I haven't really been into their brand for a while now. Like, I haven't been checking for Too Faced for at least like 2 years now, and I just absolutely love this concealer. The next concealer I want to talk about, I have it in 2 shades, and that is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles Treatment Concealer. Whatever, it's a concealer. This is in the shade Hazelnut, but I also have another shade, Tan. Okay, so Hazelnut is more, you guys have seen me use Hazelnut on camera. It goes on me a little orange, but once it settles on whatever foundation you have on and once you blend out, it's beautiful. And Tan is for when I want a little bit of extra highlight. So if you have my skin tone or a deeper, these are the 2 shades I would go for. I think there's a shade darker than Hazelnut. I'm not sure, but I'm quite sure it is. Everything I mentioned, I'll try to find a link for and link it down in the description box. Oh my god. If you want a full coverage, like this to me is better than my Maybelline Fit Me. And you guys know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know I absolutely love that concealer. This has my Fit Me concealer beat. Only because these are full, the coverage is like literally madness. If you are looking for drugstore comparison to this, definitely go for these. I really don't I have tried a lot of drugstore concealers, and Maybelline just makes the best ones in my opinion. You guys know I've been wearing Fit Me for years, and 35 Cafe. I've been wearing Fit Me for years. That's like a constant rebuy. Like as soon as I run out, I go to the drugstore, I just get another one. Like it's like nothing for me. These though are the bomb. The next product is another drugstore product. You guys have seen me using this video. This look was filmed, so I have it on right now, and that is the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Shimmerista Loose Highlighter. This is so good. Like, really? You see that? And literally it blends into this, like it literally melts into your skin. It does not emphasize texture. It doesn't look too much. Now you can go overboard with this because I have. A little goes a long way. Like, I knew I was gonna love it. It was the reason why I packed it here. I mentioned to you guys in my life update, I do not have all of my makeup here. I'm going home. I'm gonna try to bring back, if not all my makeup, at least about 80% of it when I go back to New York to visit in a couple weeks. But I love this highlighter. It's like a pinky rose gold, but it's a subtle pink. So I feel like with the shade of pink it is, it can suit a range of different skin tones. In the jar, they do have another shade. The other shade is like icy, like way too light for my skin tone. But this baby right here is like heaven, heaven. I'm gonna link the video where I first tried it out. I did a drugstore full face. Was that what I did? Anyway, I will find the video and link it where I test it out, and I compare it to the NARS Orgasm Highlighter, which is like double the price of this. So go ahead and check out that video. But I have it on right now, and I'm literally obsessed with this highlighter. The next two products are some eyeshadow palettes. The first one, literally, I love, 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 love. And that is the Huda Beauty New Nudes palette. If you guys want a video on this palette, let me know. I think I'm gonna do one anyway. But if you guys are like, Britt, we're over that palette, then I won't do it. But I love this palette, and yes, it's really expensive. It's like $75. But I love Huda Beauty's eyeshadows. I also just picked up these. And I want to get the green one and the purple one, but I just got these two, and I haven't used this one yet, but this one I've been into like crazy. I've been using the Topaz. Might do a get ready with me using those. There's a few other new makeup products in here. I'm not gonna show you yet because I'm gonna be doing a first impressions, but she did it again. I have all the Huda Beauty palettes, except for a few minis here and there, but her full size, I have them all. I've done videos on all of them. You guys can scroll through my channel, and I've done a video on all of them. This was no different. The pressed shadows in here are, I'm just gonna swatch. So 1, 2. You're joking? Are you joking? Like I wish you guys could see these in person. Like, they have like these little specks in them of glitter, but it's like very, very fine, and it gives like this, it's just amazing. The mattes in here blend beautifully. I'm not shocked. I do wish, however, for my skin tone, these nude shades, I don't want to blind you guys. These nude shades over here, I wish we went a smidge darker with this one. The nude, like this row would just be like, these two would just be like highlight shades for me, for my skin tone, and this one would be like to buff out another shade. So I can't really get much use out of this row. This shade I haven't tried yet, but other than that, I'm good. Yeah, that's my only thing, but I love this palette. I know it packs a price, but the packaging is beautiful. I just love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. And the last palette I want to talk about is the Urban Decay Naked Cherry. At first, I honestly wasn't even going to buy this palette. I do love the Naked series, but I'm one of those people where I'm kind of over it. But when I saw Auntie Jackie Anna, hey girl, she doesn't know me, but in my mind, that's Auntie Jackie, review it. I said I might as well give it a try, and I saw another person review it. I can't remember who it was, and I was like, wow, maybe I should try this palette, and I love it. The shimmers in here are beautiful. Oh, Shayla, makeup Shayla. I saw Shayla review it. So if Shayla and Jackie love it, it's bought. So I love this palette. I love these tones. I do have a few shades in my eyes right now, but when you guys see this video, it'll be, you'll see what shades I use. I'm not sure which video I'm uploading first, but we'll figure it out. These shades are beautiful. They blend beautifully. For some reason, on me, Bing and Devilish kind of blend. Once I blend them out, they kind of look like the same shade. I don't know what was, maybe because I used the wrong base. I don't really know. But other than that, I love these shades. I love this shade Privacy, which is a dark brown, because sometimes in palettes, they do a dark brown, but on my skin tone, it just pulls way too cool. I can't even think of what dark brown I used recently. Oh, the ColourPop, the Cafecito. Pulls, it looks like a dark brown in the pan, but I don't know why, but when I used it yesterday, it just pulled a little too cool on my skin tone, but this one looks beautiful on me. Love this palette. blends beautifully. I love the packaging. This is about $56, I believe. I can't remember, but I have been loving this as well. All right, everybody, those are all the products I've been loving lately. I will link everything below. I will try to find a link for those drugstore products and link them down below as well. Like I said, this look isn't up already. It will be up on my next upload. I love you guys to absolute pieces, and let me know if you guys are gonna try these products out. Again, sorry if there's an echo in here. This room is not finished yet. If you haven't seen my life update, I will link it down below and up top. If you're like, girl, where you at? What you doing? And also, if you asked me a question, your question was answered in that video. I love you guys to absolute pieces, and I will see you on the next one. Mwah.